Hey YouTube, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Kingdom Come Deliverance 2 for free. You can get this game on PlayStation consoles, Xbox or PC/Steam, and this is going to save you a bunch of money because as you can see this game is pretty expensive. So I'm going to be running through these steps that you need to take to get Kingdom Come Deliverance 2 for free on all platforms, and it takes just a few minutes. This is going to get you a digital game code that you can enter in your platform of choice, and it's going to get you the full game. So you need to use your mobile phone and open up the internet. It's very important you do it on your mobile. It just makes the process a lot easier. And then you've got to go to this website, www.robotcoupons.com. So head on over to Robot Coupons. This is of course a coupon code website. They have a bunch of codes for games on here as well. You can scroll through and have a look. There is a search bar here, so I'm just going to search for Kingdom Come, and it should pop up Kingdom Come Deliverance 2 free game code. So click on that page and scroll down. Now, as I mentioned, you can get a copy of this game on Xbox, PlayStation or PC. Now, these game codes are limited in number. So when you click on your platform, you will need to unlock your personal game code. Obviously, this game is pretty expensive, so this prevents people from stealing all of the free copies. So to get your code, you tap on Unlock Code. And this is going to take a few seconds just to load up. And then you're going to see this screen here. And this says Code Unlocker, so pretty self-explanatory. But you need to complete two of the free tasks on this page to unlock your code. And then you need to follow the instructions for each one. So you can see I have a list of free tasks here. As you can see, they're all completely free. And these can be things like surveys or downloading and playing mobile games. You just need to read the description below each one and complete two. So this one here is a survey. It says answer the questions and fill in valid details. So if you was to do that one, you would simply click on it, where you'd have to answer the questions and input any. So this one requires your email. So you just put in your correct email to verify you're a real person. It's all completely free. Alternatively, you may see ones like this where it says download and install this app. So you would just click on it and get the app and do whatever it says. So once you've fully completed two of these, it will redirect you back to this page, and whatever code you chose will be fully revealed. Obviously, I'll just skip to that step, but yeah, that is how to get your digital game code, and then you can enter it in your platform, and it's going to give you Kingdom Come Deliverance 2 for completely free. So go to Robot Coupons, navigate your way to this page, select your code, and just fully unlock your code, and enjoy, guys. Smash a like button if you got this game for free, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think of the game, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.